Yo, 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 welcome back to the channel, and welcome to season number 2. Well, the packages haven't stopped arriving, or well, I haven't stopped shopping, so let's have a look and see what we got inside here today. Get our trusty knife and noisy cricket. Alrighty. Okay, so this is actually a Christmas present. So these are some Sennheiser headphones. They're a Christmas present for me. I bought my Christmas present on Black Friday. So here we go. They are Sennheiser HD 4.50 special editions. They're a Bluetooth headphone. The reason I bought these guys here is they're not only Bluetooth, but they are also have the ability to use a 3.5mm jack. So my LG phones actually use a quad DAC, which is basically means really freaking good audio comes out of them, but you have to use a headphone cable. So this gives me the ability to have a Bluetooth headphone as well as still plug in. So that's what attracted me to these. This plastic packaging is really a pita. I'm probably gonna wrap them and put them under the tree, but still kind of want to look at them. Don't really want to pull on it, and if I'm going to cut it, you're cutting right near the headphones. So Sennheiser, if you are watching this video, ha ha ha, but like seriously, this is crazy. Look at all this plastic on here. Okay, there you go. You just tear. Yay! They're free! Okay, so yes, exactly what I was trying to show you is that they have a headphone jack right there on the bottom still. I assume there's a wire, maybe, possibly. Can they give you a wire? I hope so. Not the nicest case, but it's a case nonetheless. And yes, you do have a wire. You have a wire for the headphones, I believe, as well as a charging cable, I would assume. So here you go. The main reason I went with the Sennheisers over some other brands was to have this headphone connection here, which looks like it's the locking. Whoa, that's cool. So this is locking. You put it in. It goes in a certain way here. There it is. And then you turn that and it locks it like it's freaking locked. That's awesome. Good idea, Sennheiser. There's a lock on that side, and then this side goes into your audio device. In my case, it'll be a V20 or a V30. So we got left and right. Super comfortable, good fit. So yeah, I'm happy with my Christmas present, so I'll wrap that up and put it under the tree for later. Okay, so air, plastic, boom. This is I guess it kind of be considered a Christmas present, but you know, usually stuff that I get for filmmaking on the channel I don't consider Christmas presents. So here we go. Boom, boom, boom. This is a poor man's gimbal. Basically, it's a Steadicam, or a Steadicam rig. It's not, it's an off-brand, it's a Neewer, which is kind of like an Amazon brand. I went with the carbon fiber version, and I really, ultimately one day would like to get a gimbal for my SLR, but they're really expensive. Gimbals are upwards of freaking $500 to $800 for an SLR, so this guy here is going to replace that in the meantime, and hopefully I can have some fun with this SLR and this guy here. Alrighty, so here we go, Steadicam. So the way these work is you put your camera up here on the top, and there's weights on the bottom, and it basically balances it and gives you a one-handed kind of operation and makes the top completely steady, giving you smooth shots. So as a cinematographer, this is definitely something that you want. It came with a couple little manuals and carrying case, which is always nice to have. Keeps your equipment kind of separated, clean, in its place. Very nice. I think there might actually be a little bit of padding to this. So there you go. You got your Steadicam. Pop it into its case. Very nice. Got a nice little carrying case too. So that is Neewer. Link in the description below if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. I'm going to do a full review on this guy a little bit later. I do have a gimbal for my phone, so I can definitely compare what a gimbal is like to what this Steadicam is like and what I can use the differences for. But main reason for getting this is so that I can put this guy that I'm filming with right now onto something to steady it, just like the photo there. So yeah, anyway, this is expandable. It's carbon fiber. It goes from 15 inches to 24 inches. And looks like this video tutorial. So if you want to scan that QR code there, hold on, for all those watching, see if this works. Scan that QR code. It should take you to another video with instructions on how to use this. But I'm going to do a tutorial at some point on it as well. So hit that subscribe button below. Make sure you smash that like button. And until next time, take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.